Hello, friends, and welcome back to Senior Wealth Wisdom. Let me ask you something straight away. If you could increase your monthly retirement income by over 40%, would you want to know how? Of course you would. Here's the thing. Thousands of Canadian seniors make one simple decision at age 65 that quietly costs them hundreds of dollars every single month for the rest of their lives, and most of them don't even realize it until it's too late. That decision? Taking CPP too early. Today, I'm going to walk you through a smarter, calmer, and more powerful approach. Delay your CPP until age 70 and use your TFSA as a tax-free bridge in the meantime. We'll cover 5 practical strategies, step by step, so you finish this video with a clear plan, not just more confusion. Let's dive in. Here's what most people don't fully grasp. Every single month you wait past age 65 adds 0.7% more to your CPP benefit. Wait the full 5 years, from 65 to 70, and your monthly pension increases by up to 42%. That's not a small bump, that's a life-changing difference. And here's what makes it even better. That higher amount is fully inflation protected for life. So the longer you live, the more you benefit from waiting. What to do? Simply don't apply for CPP at 65. Be patient, stay the course, and let that number grow. During these 5 years, you'll need a reliable income source to cover your expenses, and that's exactly what the next strategy is about. The big win? A stronger, guaranteed monthly income starting at 70, one that reduces pressure on your savings and gives you real peace of mind for decades to come. Here's why this is a game changer. While you're waiting for that bigger CPP check, you still need money to live. Groceries, bills, travel, whatever brings you joy. The TFSA is the perfect tool for this gap because every dollar you withdraw is completely tax-free, and this is crucial, it does not count as income for OAS clawback purposes. What to do? Withdraw only what you genuinely need. Keep it modest, keep it budgeted, and whenever possible, use TFSA money before dipping into your taxable accounts. The big win? You get the cash flow you need without pushing up your taxable income. Your OAS stays protected. Your finances stay in your control. It's one of the cleanest retirement income moves available to Canadians. Here's the number you need to know. In 2026, the OAS clawback threshold sits at around $95,322. Cross that line and you start losing your monthly old age security payment dollar by dollar. Exceed it by enough and you could lose it entirely. That's money you've earned the right to receive. Don't give it back unnecessarily. What to do? During your bridge years, be very intentional about taxable withdrawals. Prioritize TFSA funds. Avoid large RRIF withdrawals if you can. If you're married, explore modest pension income splitting with your spouse where it makes sense. The big win? You keep more of your OAS, which is fully indexed to inflation every single month. Over a 20 or 25-year retirement, protecting that benefit could add up to tens of thousands of dollars. Here's the honest truth. The 5 years between 65 and 70 are where most retirement plans either hold strong or quietly fall apart, not because of bad luck, but because of no plan. Without a clear bridge plan, people panic. They make rushed decisions. They start CPP early just to feel secure, even when waiting would serve them far better. What to do? Set aside some quiet time, just an hour or two, and do this. Estimate your real monthly living expenses. Calculate how much you can safely withdraw from your TFSA and other savings each year. Write it down as a simple one-page bridge plan. Review it once a year and adjust as needed. The big win? Clarity, confidence, control. You'll stop second-guessing yourself and start moving through these years with a steady hand, knowing exactly where your income is coming from and where it's going. Here's what people forget. A retirement plan isn't something you build once and put in a drawer. Life changes. Your health, your expenses, your family situation, the tax rules. A plan that made perfect sense at 65 might need a small adjustment at 67. What to do? Once a year, maybe on your birthday or at tax time, sit down and review all your income sources, your expected expenses for the year ahead, your government benefits and any threshold changes, whether your TFSA withdrawal rate still makes sense. Make small, thoughtful adjustments early rather than big, stressful ones later. The big win? You stay ahead of the curve. You make calm, informed decisions instead of reactive ones. And year after year, you build the kind of long-term financial security that genuinely lets you enjoy your retirement without the constant worry. This approach works beautifully if you have enough saved in your TFSA to comfortably cover 5 years of bridge income. But let's be honest, not everyone is in that position, and that's okay. If your health is uncertain, if your savings are limited, or if you simply need the income now, starting CPP earlier may absolutely be the right call for your situation. There's no one-size-fits-all answer in retirement planning. Please remember, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not personalized financial advice. Before making any decisions about your CPP, TFSA, or retirement income, please speak with a licensed financial advisor who understands your complete picture. All right, friends, let's bring it all together. Here are the 5 strategies we covered today. Delay CPP to 70 and unlock up to 42% more monthly income. Use TFSA withdrawals as your tax-free bridge, no income, no clawback. Manage taxable income, protect your OAS for the long haul. Build a simple 5-year bridge plan, clarity beats anxiety every time. And review your plan every year. Small adjustments now, big rewards later. If this video gave you even one idea that could improve your retirement, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member who's approaching retirement age. You might just change someone's financial future. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these 5 strategies are you thinking about using, or are you already doing? I read every single comment, and I genuinely enjoy hearing your stories. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourself, and here's to a retirement that is calm, secure, and truly fulfilling.